Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.